Happy St. Patrick's Day! Now, I'm sure you all know that on St. Patrick's Day, you need to be drinking Guinness. It's one of the most popular beers in the world and is super popular specifically for St. Patrick's Day. They sell so much of it. It's in every pub. However, this drink is not very approachable. I'm sure you guys have had a first-hand experience where you tried it and you're just like, what the heck is this? It's very thick, bitter, and just textured, very coffee-like, but like just, it's hard to get into. And for me, because it's so thick, I can only drink like one before I'm just like, oh my God, I'm so bloated. But I still wanna enjoy the day. I don't wanna just keep coming back over and over to Guinness because it's so thick and rich and it's just so strong. I don't wanna feel bloated the entire St. Patrick's Day. So what I wanted to do is highlight 3 other beers to be an alternative to a Guinness this St. Patrick's Day. So first up, we have Mangers Irish Cider. Now, technically this is not a beer, but it's like in the beer realm. So I like to include this in here. And this has like this like appley texture, pear texture, and like this berry kind of flavors that I feel like are really refreshing, especially if you live in a warmer climate. Having a Irish cider is much more appealing than having just this thick stout in your belly while the sun is beating down on you. Next we have Harp, the Irish Lager. And this doesn't have a ton of flavor, similar to like most lagers, but the real reason that I personally recommend this beer is because this is a very clear beer and it makes it perfect for adding your green food dye to enjoy during the festive green St. Patrick's Day. And lastly, we have Smidx. Now, I didn't say that wrong. It looks like it should say Smithwicks, but because the Irish language does not pronounce the TH sound, it is Smidx. And so this is a red ale, very similar to an amber ale. And this kind of has, again, that biscuity, that caramelized texture. And this is actually my personal favorite beer to have on St. Patrick's Day because it just is fun and I feel like a pro whenever I'm like, I'll have a Smidx at the bartender. And if you say Smithwicks at your Irish pub, they're gonna give you a big eye roll. So if you want something a pro, Smidx. And yeah, these are my top 3 recommendations instead of having a Guinness. And I think this is fun to have at least a few other options when you're going out this St. Patrick's Day.